If you've ever struggled with shaky lines or uneven wings, this is your moment. I'll show you how to make messy looks mesmerizing using simple products. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Hey everyone! So as you all know, today I'm going to show you how to get that perfect, effortless, smoky eyeliner look. The one that makes your eyes pop without looking harsh. So the first thing that you need to pay attention in a smoky eyeliner look is to choose the right eyeliner. You need to choose smudgeable eyeliners such as gel eyeliners or pencil liners. I'm using my Maybelline eyeliner, which is somehow my favorite because it's kind of perfect, you know, and it's got its own brush as well. But you know, it's kind of easier for me to use these brushes, because the result is somehow more flawless, and especially for beginners, the one that do not have control over the eyeliner, it's so much better to use these narrow brushes. But you see, the brush has one side for drawing the eyeliner and the other side is somehow for smudging, and also we can use this too. So I'm going to show you the difference, and I'm going to use this for my left side and use this on my right side. I'm going to start from my inner corner and I am going to extend and continue this line to the outer corner. And remember to do it as quick as possible because we want to smudge it before it gets dried. And you can build it up at the end. You know, I didn't take too much product. I can overline it for one more time. So this is it. I'm trying to make it thicker at the outer corner with a small wing. And don't worry if it's not perfect because we're gonna smudge it anyway. Before we go to the lower lash line, we have to smudge it because if we don't smudge it right now, it will get dried. For smudging, I'm using a very small brush because, you know, it's kind of easier to blend with these brushes. If you use fluffy brushes, it will be messy. And little by little, I try to blend, and I try to blend it upward and outward. You see that? It is as if that I am tapping. And it doesn't look flawless in the beginning, but little by little, it gets better. And at this point, I take a fluffy brush. I try to do the blending even better. You know that the first part of blending needs to be done with a very dense and a small brush. And now for the lower lash line, I'm using the same brush I used for blending, and it has to be the same one. You know, you should not take a clean brush. You should take a brush that contains a little bit of the product in it. You know, the lower lash line needs to be lighter than the upper lash line, of course. And I'm going to just smudge a little bit in a back and forth movement. And you can just simply connect it to the upper lash line and then to create a smudge. Remember to do that on the outer corner. Do not come to the center or the inner corner. You can also use white liners on your inner waterline to actually make your eyes even more pop and bigger. Just gonna draw it for once. Not more than that because it looks more natural. We have to clean it with some concealer to make it perfect. You can also skip this level if you think that your eyeliner looks perfect already, but I'm just gonna do that. This time I take a clean brush and I try to clean the edges of my eyeliner. Now I just take another brush and I blend everything. Now you all know I have to complete my eyeliner with some mascara or maybe false lashes. If you guys have hooded eyes, I recommend you to draw the eyeliner as narrow as possible because after smudging, it somehow gets lost under your fold, so we don't want that to happen for hooded eyes. Now on my right eye, I'm going to use the brush of the Maybelline eyeliner. As you see, the point is somehow thicker from the brush I used for my left side. So I need to be very much careful on taking the product and to draw that very much carefully. So this time, I'm going to start from my outer corner and I draw a very small line. Then I try to create a very small triangle. Little by little, I come to the inner corner. I'm just going to overline it one more time to make sure the smudging is possible. And now this time I take the other side for blending. And little by little I try to blend it towards the center and outward and somehow upward. Now I try to blend everything with a fluffy brush to create a seamless effect. With the spongy side, I draw the lower lash line. Taking my white pencil for one more time, and I'm just going to draw it once. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts and comments down below for me, and subscribe for more beauty tips. And if you're interested in my content, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss anything. Thank you. Bye.